I didn't have makeup on. Basic.
Home makeup.
It's not vanity. Yeah, it's not vanity.
Vanity. Yeah.
It's more like,
Yeah.
can I do a better job?
Yeah.
Can I
Yeah.
bring something with? Or did I miss a beat? Maybe I might put in a request and be like, can I just do one more? Maybe. Tell them like, yeah.
Nice. Super.
Sounds like me.
I remember where. I remember outside the Banerjee.
Oh,
You
yeah.
remember? That was the first time.
Sureen, this is Sureen, this is Vanu,
And this is Vaibhav. You're watching us on India Forum.
Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from India Forums.
So hello, the lovely cast of Mandela Murders. And it's funny that you have already managed to give the perfect example of the kind of camaraderie you all share. So I'm just making it I'm hoping it's gonna be spicier now that with the wing of questions that I'm gonna throw at you.
Done, ready.
Lovely. All right. So we'll start with. So it's like guilty confessions in a way. So the first one would be, who do you think you stole the most amount of screen time, but just with a single look?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I didn't have. Oh, no, I can't say it.
Yeah, you can't
Yeah.
say anything.
Sorry, my bad.
But what I've seen of them, I think this one.
Okay. Yeah, I think like subtle, like subtle. Lovely. Who committed, like the ultimate actor scene and kept forgetting their lines?
None of us.
I think everybody's too seasoned.
Can say that for the
Everybody who was also not
Yeah,
present.
totally.
There's some
I
incredible
think-
actors, guys,
Yeah.
who are part of the show, who are not here today, but they are brilliant,
I
beyond
think
brilliant.
also the hard work that was put behind by each and every actor, I think paid off, because on set you never have the issue of forgetting your lines. I mean, last of Gopi sir's worries and the actors.
Fab. Who just murdered all the silence that was on set by just cracking up during serious takes?
Sometimes.
I did?
Sometimes.
Oh, I didn't even. I don't even realize when I do it. I can't even. Not in.
Yeah, with us like.
With you, yeah.
Mood setting. Super. Who's caught red-handed checking their own close-ups consistently on the monitor?
Nani.
I tell you what, I do this so much. It's a very constructive thing. Like for me, I'm not checking how I look at
It's
my
not
face.
vanity.
Yeah, it's not vanity.
Vanity. Yeah.
It's more like,
Yeah.
can I do a better job?
Yeah.
Can I
Yeah.
bring something with? Or did I miss a beat? Yeah, I do. But I proudly own it because I genuinely feel it helps me request for a take if I feel I can do a little better job. Yeah.
Of course, fabulous. Who committed the crime of finishing all the good snacks before or between the takes?
I was on diet.
Yeah?
You?
I was not eating.
He was not eating. He was not eating only. Yeah.
Neither Dan and neither. Everybody was on a diet only.
Had to
I think the
So
makers.
maybe had to. Yeah, they were
They were
eating.
They were always having chakna. I think some chakna they were having.
And peanuts and yeah.
Fab. Who tried to sneak in, trying to be given an improv moment which may or may not have derailed the scene? Or, needed improv. Like, they improvise, during in a mid-take or during a scene. Or either it derailed the scene or it just made the scene incredibly better.
Improvs have you done?
I think all the improvs were already discussed, pre-discussed.
Everything was pre-discussed.
I think when we sat down on the table for the readings,
Yeah.
whatever changes or additions or subtractions we need to make, it happened
We
there
were
and then.
we were very hands-on with readings.
Yeah.
Every episode we had proper readings, so it wasn't like a shocker, like whoa, what's that? Like I'm discovering
Yeah.
something.
We put in the hard yards before.
Yeah.
Fab.
Yeah.
Who had the audacity to ask, like if it's been like 8 hours into shoot, hey, can we do one more?
8 hours into shoot, can we
Yeah,
do
like,
one more
like
scene?
you've already had a taxing day of shoot. and
That's like
towards
12-13 hours. After
Yeah,
12-13 hours.
12-13 hours.
So
Yeah,
then
it was
my
very
brain is
basic.
like
Yes.
gone now.
Yeah, and then someone's like, chalo, ek aur karte hain. Apart from the creators, of course.
So one of us said,
Yeah,
"Ek
yeah.
aur karte
ऐसा
hain."
लग रहा है कि चलो let's do.
I must have asked for many, like, can I try one more? Can I may have.
Even after all the taxing, the entire taxing day.
Yeah, if I've not got it, I'm feeling I can deliver better, I would ask. Anybody out of you? Anyone would do that? No? No. Maybe I might put in a request and be like, can I just do one more? Maybe. Tell them like, yeah.
Nice. Super.
Sounds like me. I don't know.
Who's been the most wanted by the makeup team, for a touch-up session?
I didn't have makeup on.
Same.
Basic.
Home makeup.
neither did you. Even your character does seem like, even though it's no makeup, minimal makeup, but it still needs, like to be the continuity, match the continuity or something.
No.
Nothing.
My skin, I don't sweat, so which is why I don't need touch-ups. I don't remember a day when I actually touched up through the day also. I just go.
Yeah, who's been the biggest culprit of fake deep conversations during your downtime? That चलो आज दिन पूरा लंबा था, लेकिन अभी चलो deep conversations करते हैं.
All of us.
All of us actually.
Really?
Yeah, we have like
Yeah,
deep
I have
conversations.
deep conversations. What was that AirPods on?
So you actually started doing that much later.
Much later.
Much later. I remember where. I remember outside the Banshee.
Oh,
You
yeah.
remember? That was the first time.
Yeah. Okay, yeah.
Otherwise, it would be
Yeah,
us
always
I was
us.
always
a lot of
listening to
singing.
music.
But,
I have
uh, bakwas. Sorry. Yeah, you get the drift, right?
Yeah, of
okay.
course.
We've done a hell lot of that. Yeah.
Fabulous. And finally, on the last one, who was the one who just made sure that everybody is, just together? Like, even if the vibe is not correct, or even if it's a long day or it's a bad day.
We've never had an off fight. I don't
Yeah,
think we
it was-
ever had an off fight. We were very
Beautiful experience.
instinctive.
I think we all took turns in doing that. There was no one whole soul person responsible for getting us together. It would
But
just
if I have to
be.
say, I can say Survi. Like if I have to like say. Actually, both of you actually. I don't know. I suck at it. So please do. There.
हम लोग खुद ही ऐसे लगे रहते थे ना कि
हाँ,
we would just be like, I think that it just happened.
I'm a little bit of an
Yeah.
introvert, so it takes time for me to
Yeah.
blend in.
I remember where we
Yeah.
kind of broke the ice.
Yeah. Outside when it was raining outside.
In the car.
In the car.
Yes!
Remember? Found it.
We went into history, geography of each other.
Lovely.
Yeah.
I think that's the ultimate icebreaker.
Yeah.
Yeah, totally. With nothing else to do, na? We were just stuck in a, I can't say what,
Like a
but
bubble,
yeah,
so to
like we
speak,
were stuck in a
the world
confined
is
environment. We only had each other.
Yeah, we were like, now, mine is it. Yeah. But actually, it's not bad.
Fabulous, guys. Thank you so much.
Thank
All of us
you.
cannot wait for this show, and I wish you all the best. And not just for this, for everything you've lined up.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
you.
Thank you.